presents this program in color.
Just last week, and 5,000 screaming teenage girls showed up to see them. I think we have another few thousand Menudo fans here today, so if they will, let Menudo know that you love them. Here they are singing their musical hit, Sons of Rock. Menudo!
Ricky, I'm
Angelo, how are you?
Hi. Sergio.
Hi, Reuben.
There they are, Menudo, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now, one of the interesting things about Menudo, the members are not constant. Since '77, there have been many members of Menudo. You have an early retirement plan with Menudo. When are you set out to pasture? How old?
Well, it depends, not really 17 or 16. For example, if you get too tall, if your voice changes, you have to leave the group.
Wait a second, you're pretty tall, and your voice might be changing.
I'm the next one to leave the group, yeah.
You're gonna be leaving Menudo?
Yep, in April or May.
In April or May. Are you sad about that?
A lot, yeah.
I can understand that with all the women out here. You are the youngest member, though, right?
Yeah, I am.
How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years old. Angelo, where are you from?
I was born in Brooklyn, New York.
You were born in Brooklyn in New York City.
Yeah.
Are you the first member of Menudo to be born in New York City?
No, there was like 3 of them, right? Yeah.
Three other ones. So you have many years ahead of you in Menudo.
Yeah, I do. Like, maybe if nothing happens, maybe around 3 or 4.
3 or 4 years. Congratulations. All right. Wait a second. They're crazy about you. How old are you?
15.
You're 15 years old. How do you deal with this? How do you deal with screaming female teenagers, women who love you, who just go crazy when they see you?
We just love it. I mean, we like it a lot. We have a great time with all these girls. They're beautiful.
Do you have one girlfriend or many girlfriends?
Many.
I think
they're all right here.
they're all out here today. Good morning. And how old are you?
Hi, I'm 13.
13?
Yeah.
And where are you from?
I live in New York, and I was born in Brooklyn, just like Angelo.
You were born in Brooklyn and you live in New York. All right. How long have you been with Menudo?
I've been with them for 1 year and around 3 months.
What's the best thing about being a member of this group?
I think the best thing is traveling and falling in love with all these beautiful girls.
Falling in love with all of these beautiful girls.
Mmm.